Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're thinking about starting your own online boutique, you're in the right place. Let's start by understanding what exactly an online boutique is. Well, an online boutique is a stylish e-commerce site where you can showcase and sell all your unique collection of clothing, accessories, and more to customers all over the world. Unlike traditional retail stores, an online boutique website allows you to curate your inventory and create a personalized shopping experience for your customers. Plus, you can tap into a global customer base and expand your reach beyond the limitations of a brick-and-mortar store. If we talk numbers, the earning potential from online boutiques can be quite exciting. According to recent data from ZipRecruiter, online boutique owners earn an average of $8,000 annually. Of course, the earnings can be more or less depending on factors like marketing strategies, product offerings, customer engagement, and the quality of your online store. Now, when it comes to setting up your online boutique, choosing the right hosting provider is important. Bluehost is a robust and reliable hosting service provider that ensures your online store is always accessible to your customers. Other advantages of using Bluehost are its user-friendly interface and one-click installations, which make it incredibly easy to set up your online store using popular e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce. With Bluehost, you also have the freedom to customize your boutique's design, manage inventory, process orders, and handle secure payments with ease. And with its dedicated 24/7 customer support, you can get assistance whenever you need it. Now, without further ado, let's get started with the process of starting an online boutique. The first step of the process is choosing a niche. Choosing a niche for your online boutique is a crucial step because it sets the foundation for your entire business. So, when doing so, it's important to consider your passions, interests, and expertise. What are you truly passionate about? Is it trendy women's clothing, sustainable fashion, or perhaps handmade accessories? Choosing a niche that aligns with your interests will make the whole journey more enjoyable and fulfilling. Next, think about your target audience. Who are the people you want to sell your products to? Are they young professionals, moms, fitness enthusiasts, or a specific community? Understanding your target audience's preferences, needs, and shopping habits will help you tailor your boutique's offerings and create a personalized shopping experience. Additionally, it's a good idea to research the market and competition in your chosen niche. Is there a demand for the products you want to sell? Are there any gaps or untapped opportunities you can explore? Asking the right questions and finding their answers will help find your unique selling proposition. Finally, before selecting a niche, consider its scalability. Can your chosen niche sustain long-term growth and profitability? While it's important to focus on a specific niche, you also want to ensure that it has enough potential for expansion and reaching a wider customer base in the future. Once you have selected a niche, you need the right products and suppliers to fill your inventory. The process of finding products and suppliers can be broken down into a few key steps. One sourcing option to consider is dropshipping. With dropshipping, you don't need to hold inventory or worry about shipping products yourself. Instead, when a customer places an order at your boutique, the supplier ships the products directly to the customer's doorstep. Another sourcing option is working with wholesale suppliers. This involves purchasing products in bulk at a discounted price. Wholesale suppliers are ideal if you want to have a physical inventory or customize the products you offer. But keep in mind that managing inventory and shipping logistics will be a responsibility. While choosing suppliers, prioritize quality control to ensure the products you offer meet your customers' expectations. Request samples, check product reviews, and ask for certifications or guarantees of product authenticity and quality. Reliability is another critical factor. You want suppliers who can consistently meet your demands and fulfill orders on time. Late shipments or unreliable suppliers can lead to disappointed customers and a tarnished reputation. After deciding your product and its supplier, the next step is creating a business plan. Before starting a business, you need a plan. It helps you define your vision, goals, and strategies in a structured and organized manner. One of the key elements of a business plan is defining your goals. What do you want to achieve with your online boutique? Are you aiming for a certain revenue target, expanding into new markets, or building a strong brand presence? Clearly articulating your goals will help you focus on what truly matters. Another important factor is identifying your target market. Find out about the preferences, demographics, and shopping behaviors of your ideal customers. Understanding your target market allows you to tailor your marketing strategies, product selection, and customer experience to meet their needs. Speaking of marketing strategies, your business plan should outline your approach to reaching and engaging your target market. A solid marketing plan helps you create brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, and ultimately boost sales. After your business plan is ready, let's move on to the next step. Many business owners trust WooCommerce as their go-to e-commerce platform, and for good reasons. In fact, WooCommerce holds a significant market share of 23%, making it the largest e-commerce platform available. This powerful plugin also seamlessly integrates with WordPress. This means you get access to a vast array of plugins, themes, and templates specifically designed for building e-commerce stores. One of the best things about WooCommerce is its scalability and stability. It doesn't matter whether you're starting a small boutique or planning for expansion, WooCommerce has your back. It is super flexible and can handle various products, customer volumes, and order complexities, ensuring your online shop grows as your ambitions do. But that's not all. With WooCommerce, you can integrate gift cards, allowing your customers to buy and redeem them for products. Plus, there are plenty of payment plugins available, so you could offer multiple payment methods and give your customers convenience and flexibility. Now, setting up WooCommerce might involve a few steps. But hey, don't worry. Bluehost has got you covered with their specialized WooCommerce hosting plans. Everything you need is right there, from web hosting and domain name registration to WordPress installation and WooCommerce plugin setup. It's a real time saver and makes the process a breeze. And guess what? With the Bluehost plans, you also get awesome gift plugins to supercharge your business. You can set up wish lists, offer gift cards, set up appointments and bookings based on your business requirements. Now you know which e-commerce platform to choose. So let's move on to the next step to set up your online shop. It's time to set up your online boutique and start adding your products. Choosing Bluehost as your web host is a smart move as it allows you to quickly set up your store using its AI-powered Wondersuite. This tool comes with a bundle of wonderful products to assist you in every step. As soon as you log in, you will see an onboarding guide which is called Wonder Start. This tool speeds up the website creation process by asking you some questions, and then it creates a website based on your answers. Once your website is ready, you can start creating additional pages using Wonder Blocks. This product comes with a library of pre-fed block patterns and page templates bases your business selection in Wonder Start. You can easily personalize them according to your online boutique. Speaking of personalization, you also have complete freedom to customize your website theme. With the foundation laid, you can start adding products to your store using WooCommerce. Open your WordPress backend, find the WooCommerce tab, click on Products, and then on Add Product. Here you can add all the details about your products, including relevant images, keywords, and more. Another awesome feature that comes with Wondersuite is Wonder Cart. This tool lets you effortlessly create and manage promotions and sales campaigns using smart upselling and cross-selling functionalities. With Wonder Cart, you can also make eye-catching banners, apply discount codes, and set up limited-time offers. But that's not all. Bluehost offers you a centralized dashboard to view and monitor products' sales, data, and analytics. So, instead of juggling multiple tools, you can get everything in one place. Next step is building your brand. The first step in building a strong brand is defining your brand identity. This involves identifying your unique selling proposition, core values, and brand personality. Next, you need to establish a consistent visual identity. Start by creating a memorable logo, selecting a cohesive color palette, and choosing fonts and graphics that reflect your brand's personality. This helps in building brand recognition and fosters trust with your audience. Another important step involves building strategies for brand awareness. Start by establishing a strong presence on platforms that align with your target markets, such as Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest. Sharing content, showcasing your products, and interacting with your followers regularly will further help you build a community around your brand and reach a wider audience. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of exceptional customer service. Treat your customers with care, respond promptly to their inquiries, and go the extra mile to exceed their expectations. Positive word of mouth from satisfied customers can be a powerful driver of brand awareness and loyalty. Already got a clear idea of your brand identity? Let's move on to the last step. Promoting your online boutique is important to drive traffic to your store, and there are some awesome ways to make it happen. First, apply search engine optimization or SEO. Make sure your website's content, metadata, and product descriptions are all optimized with the right keywords. To help you do it effectively, Bluehost offers you an SEO plugin for free along with their WordPress hosting plans. This plugin takes your SEO game to the next level by analyzing your website's content and giving you real-time suggestions to optimize it for users and search engines. Plus, it automatically generates XML sitemaps to help search engines crawl and index your site more effectively. Using this powerful plugin, you can make your boutique more visible and attract even more potential customers. Another way to promote your site is through social media channels. Share engaging content about your business on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Building a strong social media presence helps you reach new customers and keep the existing ones close. Next up is content marketing. You can utilize this method by creating awesome blog posts, tutorials, or videos related to your niche. Offering your audience valuable content will bring them running to your website. On top of your regular marketing campaigns, these methods should work like magic and encourage potential customers to check out their carts. And guess what? Bluehost has got your back with the Wonder Cart plugin. It's a superhero tool that lets you easily create and manage promotions and sales campaigns through smart upselling and cross-selling features on your WordPress dashboard. With it, you can make eye-catching banners, apply discount codes, set up limited-time offers, and even track how your campaigns are doing. And that's a wrap on our comprehensive guide to starting your online boutique. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights and actionable steps to kickstart your e-commerce journey. Remember, building a successful boutique takes time, effort, and continuous learning. So don't rush, enjoy the process, and start raking in sales. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on running a successful online business. Thank you for joining us.